Next topic, foliar sprays. What is foliar sprays? Foliar spray is a technique of feeding plants by applying liquid fertilizer directly to leaves. Normally, fertilizers are formed in the solid-like form. These fertilizers are dissolved in water through applying the spray. Next, liquid fertilizer directly to leaves. Plants are able to absorb essential elements through their leaves. Plant absorbing through some essential elements with the help of leaves. The absorption takes place through the stomata. The stomata are present at lower portion of the leaves and also through their epidermis. Epidermis means outer covering of the leaves or outer covering of the plant bark region or stem region is called epidermis. Okay, what is foliar sprays? Foliar feeding is a technique of feeding plants by applying liquid fertilizer. Liquid fertilizer directly to the leaves. These fertilizers are directly spraying with some instruments. Plants are able to absorb essential elements through the stomata in their leaves. The stomata are present in the lower portion of the leaves. This stomata absorb some essential elements. But total absorption takes place through epidermis. This epidermis region or epidermal region containing the leaf portion. This epidermis, small pore size holes are present in the epidermal layer is called epidermal pore. This pore are absorbing some amount of fertilizers or maximum amount of fertilizers through this foliar sprays method. Large trees we are applying this technique. Example, neem trees. Sea-based plant mixes from kelp contains trace nutrients and some hormones which are useful for the development of plant leaves and flowers and fruit. Sea-based plant mixes means this plant mixes are only present on the seawater or seashore region. This kelp is one of the weedicide of the seas. This kelp contain high amount of nutrients and some amount of hormones are secreted through these glands or nectars. This kelp supporting to the plant growth of leaves, flowers and fruit. Foliar feeding is generally done in the early morning or late evening. These practices are only used in this early morning time or late evening time. Next, do you know plants shows quick response to the nutrients applied by foliar feeding. They are applying the nutrients through the plants different types. First one, weeding methods. Weeding method means களை எடுத்தல். Next is spraying method. These are the two types of feeding. The efficiency of nutrients uptake is considered to be higher when nutrients are applied to the leaves when compared with the nutrients applied to the soil. First we applied the nutrients through the soil. This soil, some percentage of nutrients are absorbing through the plant root hairs. Some nutrients are deposited in the soil for the future purpose These nutrients are reused from the next year or next season. But foliar feeding, only 100% of nutrients absorbed through the plant leaves. Next, a foliar feeding is recommended when environmental conditions limit the uptake of nutrients by a root. These foliar feedings are recommended when environmental condition means our surrounding areas contain some climatic conditions is called environmental condition. Example, hilly areas contain some amount of humidity level above 90%. Next, temperature below 50 degree centigrade. This all are this environmental condition. Limit the uptake of nutrients by a root. This plant roots favorable for the nutrients uptake or nutrient absorption process, temperature, rainfall, humidity. These all are the favorable condition to the plants to absorb maximum amount of nutrients.